Every single night, billions of humans willingly enter one of the strangest states imaginable. Your body becomes paralyzed. Your mind creates vivid hallucinations. Logic disappears. Time bends. And when you wake up, most of it vanishes almost instantly. But here's the disturbing part. This strange process may actually be one of the most important survival systems your brain has ever developed. For centuries, humans believed dreams were messages from gods, hidden prophecies, supernatural visions. Ancient civilizations even built temples dedicated entirely to dream interpretation. But modern neuroscience discovered something even more fascinating. Dreams are not random. Your brain is actively working while you sleep. In the 1950s, scientists discovered REM sleep, rapid eye movement sleep. During this stage, your eyes move rapidly beneath your eyelids, while your brain becomes incredibly active. In fact, brain scans show that certain parts of your brain during dreams become almost as active as when you are awake. But at the same time, something strange happens. Your body shuts down. The brain temporarily paralyzes your muscles to stop you from physically acting out your dreams. Imagine dreaming about running from danger and suddenly sprinting into a wall in real life. Your brain prevents that disaster before it happens. Meanwhile, your mind begins creating entire worlds. Dreams can feel unbelievably realistic because your visual cortex becomes highly active. Colors appear vivid. Your brain creates experiences so convincing that while dreaming, you rarely question anything happening around you. And there's a reason for that. The logical part of your brain becomes quieter during sleep. The prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for reasoning and critical thinking, slows down dramatically. That's why impossible things suddenly feel normal inside dreams. You could be flying through the sky, talking to someone from your childhood. The threats are social: embarrassment, rejection, failure, humiliation. Dreams often simulate emotional stress because your brain is still trying to prepare you for survival, just in a completely different world. But one of the most fascinating theories comes from neuroscientist David Eagleman. He proposed something called the defensive activation theory. Here's the idea. Your brain is highly competitive. Different brain regions constantly fight for territory. If one area becomes inactive for too long, nearby systems may begin taking over its function. And when humans sleep in darkness for hours, the visual cortex suddenly loses input. So dreams may act like a biological screensaver, generating visual activity to keep the visual system active and protected. Which means your dreams might exist partly to defend your ability to see. That completely changes how you think about dreams. They are not meaningless movies. They are biological maintenance, emotional processing, memory organization, creativity, survival training, and maybe all of these things at once. Some of humanity's greatest ideas reportedly appeared during dreams. Scientists, musicians, writers, inventors. Many woke up with answers their conscious mind could not solve, because dreams remove logical limitations. While awake, your brain follows rules. During dreams, connections become unlimited. That's why the sleeping mind can sometimes solve problems the conscious mind cannot. And maybe that's what makes dreams so fascinating. Even after all our scientific discoveries, humans still do not fully understand why the brain creates entire universes every single night. We can study galaxies millions of light years away. We can build artificial intelligence. We can map the human genome. But the strange theater inside your own head while you sleep, that mystery still remains. So tonight, when you close your eyes and drift into another dream, remember this. Your brain is not shutting down. It is entering one of the most powerful and mysterious states in human existence. And somewhere in the darkness, your mind is still awake.